I want to go over the first homework that you've been assigned for Unit 1.1, which is page 19 and 20, 1 through 23. And the first section says, are the 3 points given collinear? If so, name the line on which they lie. Now, I want to talk about the word collinear. And collinear, if you break it apart, the prefix is co, which means to share, and linear means of a line. So really, the question is asking, are the 3 points sharing the same line, or are they on the same line? And I'll just pick one of the first 8. It says, let's go number 4. And what it says is, are the 3 points that are given, in this case A, E, and C, are they collinear? Well, we look at point A, we look at point C, and we look at point E. Are they collinear? Are they on the sign? Are they on the same line? Yes, they are on the same line. And the line can be named. It says, the next part says, name the line on which they lie. And the line can be named either by using 2 points. For instance, you could say line GC, or you could just notice that the line is denoted with the letter M written in italics. That means you could also say that that's line M. There's a number of combinations of 2 points that you could use. If you look at, for instance, number 6, FAE, is point F, point A, and point E on the same line? Are they collinear? They are not on the same line. There's no straight line that you can draw that goes through point A, point F, and point E. So those are not collinear. They do not share the same line. If you look at the next part of the homework, hold on one second, says, name the plane represented by each surface of the box. You can think of a plane as a flat surface, and you name a plane by at least 3 points. I try to just use 3 points to name the plane, and you use the word plane when you write it down. So if you're looking at number 11, it says name the plane represented by each surface of the box, and you're talking about the bottom of the box. If the box is represented by this yellow colored figure, you can see that the bottom contains points D, C, B, and A. I'll pick any of those 3 points. For instance, I might say points D, C, and A. If I want to name that plane, I first write the word plane, then I would write DCA. So it would be plane DCA. Moving on to the next part of the homework, the instructions read, use the figure at the right for exercises 17 through 37. That's the purple colored figure. And right here for 17 through 20, it says, first, name the intersection of each pair of planes. Well, if you remember from your reading, 2 planes intersect at a line. The reason why they intersect in a line is because it forms an edge, and an edge is a line. So if you look at planes QRS for number 17, planes QRS and plane RSW. QRS you can think of as the bottom of the box, and plane RSW RSW you can think of as the right side of the box. The bottom of the box and the right side of the box are going to intersect at this edge, which is line RS or line SR. You'll also notice the way that they chose their letters, that R and S are in both of the names of the planes. That's a clue that RS, if they share those 2 points, they have to share the line that's created by drawing a line through the points S and R. The next part of the homework, and the final part, says name 2 planes that intersect the given line. So if you look at the line that's given, let's look at number 21. It says line QU. QU is this edge right here, and this edge is the intersection of the left side of the box and the front of the box. So you could say that for the left side of the box, pick any of the 3 points. I'll go with UQT. You could say it's the intersection of plane UQT, and then the front of the box we can say is QUV. So it's the intersection of the first one that I said, plane UQT, and the second one that I said, plane QUV. And you could have named them a number of different ways. We'll talk more.